Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice movement on this one today. First 30 minutes, the price was just ripping and roaring. And then after that, the price still behaved very, very nicely. So definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one now headed into Wednesday. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up there above $12.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $12.20, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, which is very beneficial because, as the name implies, this line here is going to begin to move itself higher and higher. And that, like I said, is helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 12.20 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's squeeze down the chart here a little bit. Key level to watch now headed into Wednesday. Going to be right up here at $12.65. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see this was a former area of support, and that's just a classic support then turning into resistance, and then once again resistance. So $12.65 initial area of resistance, and then if the price can push through there, next key level of resistance would be that famous 200-period moving average up there, which on my chart is denoted by the pink line and currently valued at, we'll just call it the $13 mark. But all in all, very impressive movement today. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.